You ever felt like your anxiety is the strongest the moment you wake up? You open your eyes, and before you even get out of bed, your thoughts are already running fast. What if today goes wrong? I have too much to do. I can't deal with all of this. And the strange part is, nothing has even happened yet. If this feels familiar, you are not alone. Morning anxiety is a real experience, and there are clear biological and psychological reasons behind it. And the positive part, once you understand what causes it, you can actually start to control it. Your brain starts the day in alert mode. One major reason for morning anxiety is a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone. After you wake up, your body naturally releases a surge of cortisol. This is called the cortisol awakening response. In a healthy state, it helps you feel awake, alert, and ready for the day. But when you are already stressed or anxious, this same process can feel very different. Instead of energy, you may experience fast racing thoughts, tightness in your chest, increased heartbeat, a feeling of uneasiness. It is as if your body is preparing for danger, even when there is none. Your mind interprets it as something is wrong. Then it starts searching for a reason to match that feeling. Quiet mornings make thoughts louder. Throughout the day, your mind stays busy. Work, study, people, messages, noise, tasks. But in the morning, before all of that begins, there is silence. And in that silence, your thoughts become louder. The brain naturally tries to solve problems. So if you wake up feeling uncertain or stressed, your mind immediately starts scanning for possible threats. This creates a loop. You feel anxious, your brain looks for an explanation, it finds one, and suddenly you are overwhelmed before the day even starts. Physical factors also play a role. Something many people don't realize is this: not all anxiety is purely mental. After several hours without eating, your blood sugar levels may drop. This can create physical symptoms that feel very similar to anxiety: shaking or trembling, faster heartbeat, sweating, restlessness, or unease. On top of that, poor sleep makes everything worse. When your brain is not well rested, it becomes more sensitive to stress. Small problems feel bigger. Normal thoughts feel heavier. So when you wake up, your body is already in a more reactive state. How to take control of morning anxiety? Now let's talk about what actually helps. Strategy number 1: avoid your phone first thing. Many people wake up and immediately check messages, social media, or news. This overloads your brain before it is fully awake. Instead, wait at least 15 to 30 minutes before using your phone. Give your mind space to stabilize. Strategy number 2: get your body moving. It does not have to be intense exercise. Even light stretching, walking, or simple movement helps a lot. Movement tells your nervous system that you are safe. It helps release built-up stress hormones instead of letting them stay in your body. Think of it as resetting your internal tension. Strategy number 3: step into natural light. Morning sunlight plays a big role in regulating your body clock. It improves mood, energy, and sleep quality over time. Just 5 to 10 minutes of sunlight exposure can make a real difference. It is simple but very powerful. Strategy number 4: don't solve your entire life immediately. Many people wake up and instantly start worrying about everything they need to fix. When anxious thoughts appear, try telling yourself, I don't need to figure this out right now. This creates mental distance from the anxiety. Not every thought requires action in the moment. Strategy number 5: build a stable morning routine. Your brain feels safer when life is predictable. A simple morning structure can reduce anxiety naturally. For example, drink water, stretch for a few minutes, eat something light, go for a short walk, plan your top priorities. It does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be consistent. If your anxiety feels strongest in the morning, it does not mean something is wrong with you. It is often a mix of natural body chemistry, sleep quality, and thought patterns working together. But the most important truth is this: morning anxiety is a feeling, not a forecast of your day. Just because your mind starts the morning in worry does not mean your day will go badly. And with small, consistent habits, you can train your nervous system to feel calm instead of threatened. This video helped you. Consider liking and subscribing for more psychology-based insights on mental health, focus, and personal growth. And leave a comment. What is the first thought you usually wake up with? Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.